Ready to turn your WordPress website into a powerful e-commerce engine by accepting payments directly through Stripe? First, log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Plugins section. On the left-hand side, click on Add New to begin the plugin installation process. In the search bar, type Stripe. Several plugins will appear. Look for a well-rated and recently updated plugin, like WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway if you're using WooCommerce, or Stripe Payments for a simpler option. Click Install Now next to your chosen plugin. Once installed, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin. Now, find the settings for your newly installed Stripe plugin. This is usually located under the Settings tab or within the WooCommerce settings if you are using WooCommerce. Here, you'll need to connect your Stripe account. This involves entering your Stripe API keys, which you can find in your Stripe dashboard under the Developer section. Then API keys. With your Stripe account connected, you can now configure the payment options depending on the plugin. You might be able to customize the appearance of the payment form, enable different card types, and set up subscription payments. And that's it. You're now ready to accept payments, manage subscriptions, and track your transactions directly through your WordPress site, all thanks to the power of the Stripe plugin.